Hey YouTube, thought I'd show you our second project, or another project I've been working on. Excuse the mess and everything, I gotta clean everything up. I've used materials, but I'm building a do-it-yourself steam sauna, and I've just got her framed out and everything. The door right here is a door for a shower. I just framed it in. I got my cans in here right now, but I got to put my top on it and insulate everything. But right now we have zero in it, zero money, because all this material I had laying around needed to do something with it. So I thought, this is what I'll do. Of course, this had the two holes in the door here, and so what I did, I just cut a piece of 2x4 on this side, piece on this side, screwed it through the holes, and then screwed my handle to it and everything. But like I said, it's just it's 4 feet by 5 feet. It's gonna turn out really nice. Got to insulate everything, put my top on, and I made it to where I can have it apart and move somewhere else. So I'm not going to keep it here in this one spot on the porch. I can move it somewhere else because I overlapped all my siding by 3.5 inches, exact thickness of the other wall coming in. So all I got to do is take a few screws out on each corner, and the whole thing, like there's one right there, the whole thing will just come right on out. Right now we have zero money in this. Everything's made with scrap materials. As you can see, some of my siding, it's set outside and stuff like that. Got real dirty. I gotta come in and clean everything, you know, wash it all down, stain it, paint it, trim it all out whenever I get it finished. But do it yourself steam sauna, can't wait to get in there. Simple construction. I mean, anybody can do this. As you can see, I didn't put no corner braces or in there or anything. I'm gonna have to do that. We'll have to put another 2x4 right in here. But all you gotta do is unscrew it from this side out here all the way around. And like I said, you can move this thing. The walls are pretty light. Now, once I get the inside finished, it's going to take some help to, you know, carry them and everything like that. But everything, I had old 2x4s, had pull-off nails out and stuff like that. But they got a lot of good life in them. I mean, it just took time. But I just went to the store the other day and bought some 2x4s. And so each one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's about 14 of them in here. $5.31 a piece. Extremely expensive. This siding, if I'd went and bought it, you know, I think I had 14 pieces, 16 foot long. You're probably looking at $18, $20 a piece, you know. So I've saved probably at least $250, $300 just by taking time, take some stuff apart, using what I had. And another good thing that does, that gets rid of some material that I have laying around. You know, like I said, it stacks up and it starts looking bad. So, but do-it-yourself sauna, steam sauna. We'll be finishing it up, and I'll be showing the finished project. I'm gonna get out here in a little bit, put my top on, and start insulating. Now the inside, I'm gonna have to spend money on that, without a doubt. So I mean, you know, I'm gonna have to cover everything in here. So there will be, this project's probably gonna cost $300 or $400, I'm guessing. So anyway, just thought I'd show the first part of it. Everybody have a great day. Tune in to see what's going on. Oh, but I sandwiched this shower door in between some tongue and groove, and then just ripped the tongue and groove down. So that's what it is. It held in there really well. All right, guys, have a great day. See the next part of it. Should be finished. See ya.